Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're gonna find out what all the hype is about Buc-ee's off of I-95. Let's go take a look and get some snacks. Listen, we're going in. Coolers, just in case if you forget yours, and look at there, bullseye that we like to play. That's a cool game. They got your floats. And your shirts. And their snacks. And the Buc-ee nuggets. They even have Buc-ee's cotton candy.
Buc-ee's is known as the world's largest convenience store. But if you get a chance to go into one, you'll see that it's much more than that. They have everything you could possibly want as you're traveling to and from places like Myrtle Beach. First of all, this location has around 200 gas pumps and many EV charging stations. So when it comes to stopping for gas, you won't have to wait too long. Just remember, this is for cars and average motorists, as it is a travel convenience center, not a truck stop. So semi-trucks are not allowed. This here is called the Texas Roundup. This is where you can get their famous Texas barbecue. Buc-ee's has been welcoming travelers since 1982, and this place is much more than a quick stop. They have sweets, fudge, burritos, and all the jerky you can stand. There's an old saying in the South, there's no pit stop like a Buc-ee's pit stop. They started in Texas and now have over 45 locations in places like Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, Florida, and now right here in beautiful South Carolina. And for those heading to Sevierville, Tennessee in the near future, they are soon to open a 74,000 square foot supersized family travel center there. Let's take a look around, shall we? They serve everything from barbecue sandwiches, beef jerky and beaver nuts, to grills, clothing, and much more. Buc-ee's is known for their cheap ice and the cleanest restrooms in the country. So, if you're headed to the greater Myrtle Beach area or leaving the beach, make sure you stop by Buc-ee's off I-95 in Florence, South Carolina. To gas up and stock up with everything you need for your trip, so you can keep beaching.